Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to loop audio in Canva. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you've created a stunning presentation or an engaging video, but the background music cuts off before your content ends? It can be a bit frustrating, right? Well, today on PMN Online, we are going to solve that problem by showing you how to effortlessly loop audio in Canva, ensuring your music plays seamlessly from start to finish. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to log into your Canva account. If you're new to Canva, no worries. Just click on the Sign Up button and follow the simple on-screen instructions to get started. Once you're logged in, the real fun begins. Looping audio in Canva is surprisingly easy, and it's a fantastic way to enhance your presentations, videos, or other creative projects. Now let's dive in. To begin, navigate to the design or project you are currently working on. If you haven't started a project yet, you can choose from a variety of templates. Canva offers templates for business, social media, education, video marketing, and print products, among others. If you have a unique vision, you can also click on Create a Design to start from scratch. For instance, I plan to upload a specific thumbnail later for our GPL YouTube channel. But let's get back to our main task. To add audio to your project, click on the Upload section. Here, you'll see an option for audio. You can simply drag and drop your media to upload it, or you can connect your Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, or Google Photos account to access your files. If you haven't chosen an audio file yet, don't worry. Just click on the audio section on the left-hand side of your screen. Sometimes you might not see the audio option immediately in your dashboard. If that's the case, click on the App section and search for audio. This will make the audio options visible. Keep in mind that some audio files may have a watermark, indicating they require a Canva Pro subscription. These premium tracks can't be downloaded without a subscription. So let's focus on using the free audio options for now. Imagine you're working on a presentation and you want the background music to loop throughout its duration. Here's how to do it. Hover down to the Adjust section. By dragging the duration bar, you can extend the audio to fit your project's length. For example, if your audio is only 5 seconds long, you can extend it to sync perfectly with your presentation. Another handy tip is to right-click on the audio file, copy it, and then paste it to extend the audio's presence in the project. Playing background music that loops can significantly enhance the emotional impact of your storytelling, reinforcing key messages or themes throughout your presentation. While you might not hear the music playing as you work, rest assured it's there, providing a consistent audio backdrop that ties your narrative together. For those with a premium subscription, Canva offers additional features, such as beat syncing, to further refine your audio. You can also adjust the volume and apply these settings to all audio tracks in your loop. Finally, when you're satisfied with your project, click on the Share button. You can download your creation as an MP4 file or share it with team members or clients by copying the link. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to loop audio in Canva. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online,